we would like to thank this following sponsors na maogyoy naghimong possible sa ato ang event karon. First, our BQ Mall na mo'y naghatag sa ato ang lindot kayo ng venue. And of course, to the city government of Tagbilaran, headed of course by our youngest and the first ever woman mayor in Tagbilaran City, Mayor Jane Yang, Vice Mayor Adam Hala, and Congressman Babaya. Dagan-dagan kayong salamat at silang tagan sa masibang pagpag. So, karong hapon na, pila mo dyan kabuok ang atong mga grupo nga mo represent karon.
Yes, so this afternoon we have 12 groups from the different municipalities of Bohol. So number 1, we have Acers of Tagbilaran, the Good Vibes of Balilihan, the Welcome of Tubigon, the Haters United Dancers of Lord, Uplate of Tagbilaran, Teammates of Tagbilaran, Shockwave 16 Reborn of Carmen, the FCM Villa, the Pride Society of Tubigon, the Societies of Trinidad, the Celestic Plague of Maribor, and the Altered Crew of Laon.
Wow, daghan kayo no, di lang kay Tagbilaranons ang mo represent karong hapuna, but also naggikan gyud sa lain-laing parties sa Bohol. So, first,
Yes, let's review the guidelines and mechanics for this afternoon's competition. The competition open to all Boholano, which is composed of 8 minimum and no maximum, which could be all males, females, and combination of both. All participating dance groups are given a maximum of 3 minutes, a maximum of 5 to perform their choreography to the music of their own choice. Any hip-hop genre mashup or remix. Reduction in 1 point will be given for each 6 minutes for the total score. Any form of dangerous act like climbing, stand, fire blowing, fire dancing, or any shot material for reduction of 1 point. Music should be submitted to the operator before the dance. All the participating dance